Hey, what's going on guys, CodeMonkeyGames here. In this video we're gonna be adding some functionality to give user an ability to download the PGN. So as soon as user actually wants to grab the game, not only at the when the game ends, but literally at whatever state of the game, he can just click the download button and he gets the PGN of the game he was playing versus our BBC engine. So without further ado, let's actually go and implement this stuff. So first, I would like to start the server by typing python3 app.py as always. And now in the browser, the port number 5000, at localhost, we have our app running. So here down below the PGN, I would like to add a button. I will add two elements, button and the download link, but the download link would be hidden, and there is a little reason for that. So I want to append the headers to the PGN in order to make it recognizable within GUIs like Arena. But if I use the standard functionality from chess.js library, that actually does allow to has a method like chess.header to set up those headers. But if I use that one, it would be printing the headers in the UI, which I don't really want to have. So, well, it's far easier to oh my god, it's far easier to implement rather than to explain. So without further ado, let's actually start writing some code. So here I want to provide the download button, and down below I want to provide the download link. So let's start with the button. So this would be the button with a class, well, let's give it an ID, would be equal to download button, and class would be equal to BDN, well, let's make it green, BDN success, and yeah, this is it, and just call it download, and closing the button tag, save. And also here we'll have a download link. So href would be set to none at the moment. Download, which is the attribute to specify the file name, would be empty as well. And do we need anything else? Yeah, we need the ID, and the ID would be equal to download link. And we don't need to put here anything, but well, actually, I just let's say just to give an idea that it actually exists. So here's this your PGN, but we don't really need this one. So what I can do now here is I just can say like hidden, and from now on it won't be seen anymore, hence you can't click it really. So this is kind of it. So also I want to put the button slightly below, so let's give it margin top 2. Okay, yeah, now this is much better. And actually at this moment we need to handle the on click event of our button, and here some tricky stuff begins basically. So just want to find where I'm handling all the clicks. So here I want to handle download button click. Okay, so I'm referencing this element by ID, so download button, and the onClick event, so click, and the callback function to fire if button click occurs, like this. So now just to give you an idea regarding my concerns, I will now just show you some valid PGN file, how it looks like. So let's take some PGNs played by my BBC engine. So this is how it looks like. but we don't really need all of these headers. The bare minimum what we need is actually white and black headers, and that's it. So who's playing white, who's playing black, that's it. So we'll start, well, actually to distinguish whether user is playing white or black and what's the name of the user, because engine would always be BBC and the name of the user would be different anytime. So we would try to prompt the user, so it would give he would give us his name and his color that he's playing. So first we need to get username, and let's say var username would be equal to prompt what is your name, and get user color, so var user color, and this would be prompt what is or what color did you play with. And just to give an idea what user has to print in return, so either white or black, so please type well, actually, hold on a sec. So please type white or black. Save. And actually I want to alert the username and username, just to make sure that it's correct. We could have make it in the console obviously, but color okay. So let's have a look. So update the stuff. What's username? Okay, CMK. Okay, color, well, let's give it white. Okay, name CMK, color white. Good. But it might happen, so you can enter whatever name, but if you enter whatever color, this is not valid, so we need to handle this case as well. So here we need to check whether the color is legal. So I can say if well, actually hold on a second, guys. I'm just thinking how it's better to be done. So if user color, I just want to define a couple of variables. Well, actually I want to define one variable that would be called PGN header. So let's create it, the PGN header, and var PGN header would be equal to, let's make it empty string at the moment. So, and here let's say if user color is equal to white. In this case, I want to set the PGN header equal to, and we have this like structure. So we need to have two new lines after the second player. So here we'll have white. So if color is white, then we want to print the username here. So this would be username, okay, and black, BBC 1.2. Okay, and otherwise, so let's say if user color is white, here if user color is black, so else if user color equals to black, we want to set the PGN like this. So white would be BBC 1.2 and black would be username. Okay, and otherwise we actually have an illegal. Otherwise, try again. Let's say it like so. Try again. Well, actually, we're not trying again. Let's say otherwise error. So else, and I actually do want to alert, but I want to alert that color is illegal. Please type white or black. Let's say, yeah, please type white or black. Save. I think this should be working now. Okay, so let's test. So enter in the name. Okay, let's say white. Oh, okay, nothing happens. I just well, it's actually good, but I just wanna okay. Okay, just, well, I know that this is working, but just to give an idea. Okay, I will just show you this later when the PGN would be downloaded. So let's actually try to test if we're just trying to some malform. So color is illegal, please type white or black. Okay. And also in this case actually, we want to break from this function. We actually want to return, because we're not going to be doing anything else, not going to be downloading the file, because the file could have been downloaded, but it won't be available for to be read in the GUIs like Arena, so it doesn't make much sense. Okay, and the next thing to consider is most intriguing part. We actually need to create it's called object URL for our link here within the href, and also give a name for the download attribute. So let's go and implement this in particular. So download button. Okay, so here we want to, oh my god, how to call this? Initialize download link. So this would be equal to, so first we need to reference this by ID, obviously. So download link like this. Then we're taking the attribute of href, and we need to say window dot URL dot create object URL, and here we need to create a new blob like this, and it will consist of two parts. So type is text, just to give an idea what kind of content we're downloading. And here hold on a sec, probably I don't even need this brackets. I need it like so. And here we can take our game.pgn, but also we want to say PGN header plus game PGN. And if I did everything correctly, it should now be initialized in the download link. So let's update. Oh my god, I did something horribly wrong. Okay, missing parentheses. Okay. Sorry guys, just not sure where exactly. Yeah, probably in this line. So what did I do actually wrong? Oh, maybe I just don't need this. Okay. And let's try to download. Okay. Actually, we need to specify the correct color to make it work further on. And now I just want to inspect the element, find my download link. Oh, something has has gone wrong with the ID, so it wasn't recognized. Sorry for this inconvenience. Yeah, obviously. Okay, now this should work. So let's try to. Okay, so here is our download link, and when I click this, okay, so right over here the H reference should appear. Oh my god, it didn't. Create object URL. Oh, it's probably spelled like URL from all the upper cases. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, perfect. So here is our blob being initialized, which is good. And now we need also to take care about the download. Kind of that's the file name actually. And what else I want to do here? So actually, the download stuff would be initialized better here, because we can distinguish like your name versus BBC, or BBC versus your name respectively. So we would be changing the header, so to make it easier to find like who is playing versus who, so which color corresponds to which person. So in this case, so here we initialize PGN header, and here we initialize PGN file name. So we can simply say like download link, and the attribute of download, and it would be equal to actually to make it even more to make it even better, we can add the date, or yeah, we can first say like, so in this case this white, so it means like first we need to take the username plus and versus BBC 1.2 and plus new date, like this. And here it would be BBC 1.2. Well, this version might be changed later on, so probably, yeah, let's actually say like BBC Chess Engine, and here BBC, or yeah, it's a little bit too much. Let's make it like so, BBC versus and plus username and plus underscore. So this should be it. Okay, let's test this now. So as we just download, so CMK plain white. Okay, so download is CMK versus BBC Monday, October. Yeah, actually, can I say can I stringify the oh my god, nope, it's called to string apparently. And I'm not sure, guys, if this is gonna work. Replace all the spaces with underscores. Not sure if this is gonna work, so let me just quickly test this. So I'm doing this for, okay, for black color. Okay, let's try again. So CMK, it's this time plain black. Oh, by the way, if I just hit some nonsense, it doesn't work. Okay, good. And again, CMK black and download. Yeah, it's a bit weird. Sorry guys, just hold on a sec. I want to ask JavaScript date to string. So just how to convert this properly. Okay. Oh, so this is how this should done. In this case, we can actually initialize the date here. So initialize date and var date would be new date. Okay, and here we just can make this date to string. Okay. Okay, so it seems to be working, but I don't know how to replace JavaScript, replace string, or it's a bit weird. It seems like string replace. Seems like I'm doing this stuff correctly. I have no idea why. Okay guys, just hold on a sec, just pause the video, try to make some tests, and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, just figure out how to do this. Not that trivial as in Python, unfortunately. So I found this Stack Overflow answer to use the regular expression actually for string replacement. Okay, and as far as this is working, I can actually use this replace part here, paste, and also I want to make the same. Oh, what have I done? Oh no. Okay, let's check this one more time. So if plain white, okay, CMK white. Okay, good. So this is the download. Okay, so all the underscores. Okay, now I like it. So CMK versus BBC. Okay, and if I'm trying with black, it makes BBC versus CMK and all the underscores. Okay, and at the very end, I also want to add the PGN actually. So plus dot PGN, and here plus dot PGN. Save. Okay, good. And the very last thing basically is we actually need to mimic the click on our download link. So mimic download link click. And in order to do this, we need to find this download link using the jQuery selector as always. And here I'm using the very first element, and this is not jQuery but the JavaScript click method. So this is a little hack to actually click the links using both jQuery and JavaScript though. So just to give it an idea how it works, so download PGN CMK plain white, and here we got our file. Okay, so white CMK, black BBC. Okay, I'm just not sure why I have so many. Oh, that was just from the previous from my preparation. Okay, the only file here. Okay, good. Okay, so just close them all. So now let's actually try to play some moves, and then just trying to download and CMK. Okay, and I was playing white. So the file name should be CMK versus BBC. Okay, and here is the game. Good. And also now let's test the same for black pieces. So if I just flip the board, ask him to make a move, and okay, try to play some moves. Okay. Oh, and I'm just blundered the rook. Okay, download CMK, and this time I was playing black. Okay, BBC versus CMK. Good, and here is the game. So the very last thing I need to check here is whether Arena actually recognizes this like PGNs. So let's start the Arena, and I want to open, well, let's try this one. Open. Excuse me. Oh man, I did something horribly wrong. What did I do wrong? Probably something wrong with the headers. Okay, just you can't see the white and black, so yeah, probably I've malformed something. So how they call it? Oh, you need to say like white and black. So this is the format. Yeah, sorry guys, just malformed the format. So I need to quickly fix this. Just need to quickly fix this here. Okay. So not like this, but so it would be white and like this and like this, and here like this. Okay. And in this case, on the country, so BBC, and like this. Let's give it another try. So let's have a look. Download, and let's see again. Well, now this one should already be fine, so I just want to clear my downloads now. And make it again. And try to open this with Arena. Okay, now it sees the game. Okay, good. Oh my god, what's wrong with you, man? Okay, maybe I should restart the Arena. Okay. I swear I was testing this when I was preparing for this video, but for some reason I have no idea why it doesn't work now. It should have. So open game, open, pick up the game, load. Okay, thank God it's working. So, and here we can see the game that has been played versus the engine. So this is it. Absolutely fantastic. So probably, well, I could have tested this for blacks as well. Yeah, just to make sure it still works for black. Let's start a new game. Flip the board. Ask to make a move. And like this. Okay, and download. Okay, and black. And let's try to open this one with Arena. So BBC versus CMK, this one. Okay, BBC versus CMK. Okay, yeah, and just to watch from, oh, stop, don't do this. Cancel. Yeah, I meant not like this. Flipboard, this one. Yeah, so this is the game. Okay, guys, so it seems like it's working now, and I feel already pretty satisfied at this point. Okay, don't tell me. Oh, man, no. Okay, sorry guys, something horrible has happened to my computer. I need to restart it. Okay, so I think this is it, actually. And I feel like we're almost ready to deploy this app. The only concern I have, to be honest, is, well, if the user could be playing versus this game, say, locally on his own computer, well, like I do now, the current implementation is okay, but I have a little concern. Well, actually, I have a big concern that, assuming that we have this engine being deployed globally along with the app itself, so if there occur lots of traffic, and say many people would be trying to play simultaneously, I think that some horrible disaster might have happened. So probably in order to resolve this issue, we need to create the engine instance, engine instance and the UCI interaction every time we're making a move here. It violates the transposition table a little bit, so it's kind of like would be reinitializing from scratch. But I don't think that is really such a big deal for when it comes to playing versus a human player. So it won't really affect the strength that much. So I think this might be the case as well. I need to test that out a little bit, just to make sure that it kind of working. And if it does work, then actually I'll make another video on how to create the engine instance only when we're making a move, and then just delete that instance, so to make sure that on the remote server there won't be any overloads, like having I don't know, well, probably it won't have many instances, but well, anyway guys, sorry, I just want to check that out. Just want to share my concerns with you. So as soon as I fix that and find a proper solution, I'll make another video, and the video after that we'll try to deploy our app at pythoninywhere.com, so it would be available in the live mode to play chess online. This is it from my side. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, learned something interesting out of it. I hope to see you next time. Until then, and take care.